Okay, so we got our helmet, safety glasses. Which board is this movie? If you've never seen just a really crappy 80s movie about a Ouija board, you should definitely watch it. It's actually not that bad for what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna go for a quick spin around town here. Make sure it feels good.
We meet again, viewers, in my nice chair while Eric gets ready. Oh. Whoa.
How's it look from the side? Go show it on the other side too. See it over here. There's some water on exhaust pipes. So you can see how it sits right now. After we did the drop, like I said, this is about a 1-inch drop here. I got about another 3/4 of an inch I could do if I wanted to. We're gonna give this a shot first. Well guys, it's been a few weeks and a few hundred miles. I ended up adjusting this. It's about halfway between the highest and the lowest setting with these stock struts that are on the back right here. Man, it feels nice. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, it feels really good. It's really comparable to the way it was before. Overall, the drop is about 1.5 inches down from the lowest point I had it before by adjusting these. And it's a nice ride, it's comfortable, it's ready to go. On a side note, these yellow glasses right now are absolutely awesome. It's quite overcast and it looks like it's sunny out right now. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe down below, give me a little thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.